Good morning, guys. When I'm filming this, it's Saturday. I gotta go and I have to go sell something, and I have to go and go meet one of my mom's friends that's coming up. It's been a 3-hour drive, and she wants me to go hang out too. But I decided I wanted to do a rainbow makeup look. Don't mind my messy hair. It's crazy, frizzy, curly all the time. But I just decided to do like a my style tutorial of this rainbow look that I found that it got inspired by. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm gonna be using this for highlight and some shades from these 3 palettes. This is a look. First color. Next color. So I got the top half done. So now for the bottom, I'm gonna have to do green, blue, and purple. Do nature for the green. Alright, so now that that's complete, I am gonna take my mascara and apply it. Now I'm gonna do the Kiss lashes, which for those of you who watch me, I never do lashes, so this will be interesting, but I'm gonna do it off camera so you won't have to see the hot mess of me trying to put them on. Alright, so there's one eye, and I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. I'm gonna use my NARS lip liner and my Star Crown lip gloss for my lips. Okay, so now that that's on, I'm gonna do the rest of my face makeup and cover all this redness, and I will be right back with the finished look. Okay, so finished look. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope I did better at like showing you what I do when I do my makeup, because I'm not really good at looking at the camera and trying to do that. I'll try to be better when I do that. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed this rainbow makeup look. Bye guys.